Hey friends, can you believe this incredible sight? Every single day, this massive tropical plantation grows thousands of
These skilled workers know exactly which pineapples are ready for harvest. Watch how carefully they inspect each fruit for that.
Look at this beauty. The workers actually feel each pineapple to check ripeness. It's not just about color, friends. It's about that perfect.
This technique has been perfected over generations. One clean cut at the base, and that gorgeous pineapple is ready to begin its journey.
Just look at this coordinated harvest, friends. In peak season, teams like this can harvest over 10,000 pineapples in a...
Every pineapple is handled with care during harvest. Bruising would affect the juice quality, so these workers...
Here's where the magic of logistics begins. Thousands of freshly harvested pineapples gathered in one central spot. I love watching this part. Even though they're working quickly, there's still so much care in every movement because they know quality starts right here in the field.
And here we go. This truck is carrying today's harvest toward the processing plant just a few miles away. Time is... Can you imagine, friends? Just hours ago, these pineapples were still growing in the soil, and soon they'll be transformed into bottled tropical... There it is, friends, our destination. This state-of-the-art processing facility turns millions of fresh pineapples into juice.
Welcome to the receiving area. This is where the farm-fresh pineapples officially enter the factory system. Notable. Look at this teamwork. The unloading crew works like a well-oiled machine. Each crate is numbered and tracked.
This receiving warehouse can handle up to 50 tons of pineapples per day during peak season.
Now we're heading into the heart of the factory, and this is where the real transformation begins. And trust me, I love these close-up views. You can really see the engineering detail that goes into food processing equipment, friends. Everything these fresh pineapples are. Nature's perfect package of tropical sweet.
Please. Here's something most people never see. Every single batch gets inspected before it enters the factory. This quality check...
Look at this entire operation from above. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. Every person,
First stop on the production line, the industrial washing system. Every pineapple needs to be thoroughly cleaned to remove field dirt,
Wow, Chesed, this happens of one from every angle.
and they come out sparkling clean. Look how the factory lighting makes those freshly washed pineapples shine. They're ready for the next stage now.
Even after automated washing, there's still human oversight. This inspector checks for any damaged fruits that might have been...
Here's some cutting-edge food safety technology, UV light sanitization. This final disinfection step eliminates... All right, friends, the pineapples are now perfectly clean and dry. Next comes one of the most impressive parts of the entire...
Here we go, the crown removal station. Watch how this incredible machine grabs each pineapple and removes the leafy crown with surgical precision in just 2 seconds.
Did you see that? One twist, one pull, perfectly removed. The precision of this machinery is absolute. Nothing goes to waste here. Those crowns are collected separately and sent to composting facilities where they'll become fertilizer.
Positioning is everything. The machines need each pineapple standing perfectly vertical for the peeling system to work. This is absolutely mesmerizing to watch. The peeling blades follow the natural contour of each pineapple automatically.
Look at that beautiful yellow flesh being revealed. You can already see the juice glistening on the surface. This is what makes it
Perfectly peeled. Notice how uniform they all look now. This consistency is crucial because the next machines need standardized shapes to core them efficiently.
tangible. Even the waste is managed efficiently. These peels are incredibly valuable. They're processed into animal feed.
Next up is the coring operation. The tough, fibrous center of each pineapple has to be removed because it's too hard for juice extraction. Watch how this machine handles it.
That core is out in less than 3 seconds. The drill is perfectly sized to remove just the tough center while preserving all the juicy flesh around it.
Those cores might look small, but across millions of pineapples they add up. This waste stream is also processed.
Now for the slicing. And friends, this is where things get really satisfying to watch. Each pineapple is cut into perfect slices in one synchronized motion.
Just look at this in slow motion. You can see the juice literally bursting from the cells as the blades slice through. This
Perfect uniform slices.
Here comes my favorite part of the entire process. These slices are heading toward the crushing and extraction system, where the real juice magic happens.
Before extraction, another quality check. Samples are tested for sugar content, acidity, and moisture.
Everything we've seen so far, harvesting.
Here it is, the crushing stage. Watch how these powerful rollers squeeze those slices and just look at that gorgeous golden juice flowing out, friends.
Expensive. The first crushing gets most of the juice, but there's still more to extract.
Look at this incredible plumbing system. Juice from dozens of extraction points all flowing together. The factory collects over.
The pressed pulp comes out almost dry. Every drop of juice has been extracted. This fibrous.
The collection tanks gather all the juice from the various extraction stages. You can see the natural foam.
This entire extraction operation is like watching an orchestra. Every machine, every press, everything's often worth. Before any juice moves to the next stage, it's tested for consistency. The lab checks sugar level.
Now the fresh juice begins its journey through the treatment systems. Before bottling, it needs to be pasteurized to
condition. This is the pasteurization zone. The juice is heated to precise temperatures to eliminate bacteria, while
temperature precision is critical. The juice is heated to exactly 95 degrees Celsius for just 15 seconds.
The heat exchanger works incredibly fast. Juice enters at one end at room temperature and exits at the other end.
Immediately after heating, the juice must be rapidly cooled to preserve quality. This cooling system brings the temperature down to.
From above, you can see the complete thermal treatment journey. Red pipes for heating, blue pipes for cooling, and the monitoring systems ensuring perfect conditions throughout.
More testing. After pasteurization, the juice is analyzed again to confirm the treatment was successful and all quality
Fruits. Look how beautiful the pasteurized juice remains. Even after heat treatment, it keeps that gorgeous natural pineapple color.
Here's where we meet the bottles. These clear PET plastic containers arrive from the bottle manufacturing facilities. Every bottle gets an interior rinse, even though they come sealed from the manufacturer. This extra step ensures
considering. These bottles are crystal clear and perfectly clean, ready to showcase that beautiful golden pineapple juice.
Now watch this incredible engineering. This is the heart of the bottling operation, a rotary filler. Each bottle enters the carousel, gets filled while rotating.
Just watch that gorgeous golden juice flowing in.
The capping process is just as precise as filling. Each cap is tightened to exact specifications. All right, friends, the juice is now perfectly treated and ready for the final stages. Next comes one of the most impressive.
This entire pineapple juice bottling operation is absolutely mesmerizing. From empty bottle to freshly filled.
Now for the final decorations. Applying the labels.
Watch how perfectly that pineapple juice label wraps around the bottle. The alignment has to be spot on, so every detail looks beautiful on the shelf. Every pineapple juice bottle is scanned and verified by computer vision systems. If anything is off, it's caught instantly before moving forward.
There goes a reject. That pineapple juice bottle had a tiny label wrinkle, and the system caught it in milliseconds. Nothing slips past this automation.
Even with advanced automation, human inspectors still sample pineapple juice bottles throughout the shift, checking labels.
This level of quality control is what separates good pineapple juice factories from great ones. Every measurement is logged.
Now comes bulk packaging. Watch this robot lift 6 pineapple juices at once and place them perfectly into cartons. Welcome to the finished goods warehouse. This massive storage area holds thousands of cases ready to ship to stores.
The logistics network is incredible. This juice will be on store shelves within 24 hours, delivered fresh to supermarkets.
And here's where factory meets marketplace. These trucks will carry our pineapple juice across hundreds of miles,